Hi, welcome to Glass Blacksmith. This is our first post of our organization, and we hope we can be of service to you. First, instead of sharing what we provide, we think it's better to share how we got here. We're a family-owned metalwork fabrication shop and general contracting company in Florida that just launched this remote construction services sister company called Glass Blacksmith. The family, more accurately, the father, started in construction with ironworks since 1980, which can be defined as using steel for building fabrications. But over the past 30 years, the rest of the family has stepped in to help out in the company, which has specialized in the artistry of blacksmithing and wrought iron metalworks. With all this experience, we'd thought we'd bundle all of this knowledge with our new company called Glass Blacksmith to offer you our strategies and information for remote construction services. So, to start off sharing our knowledge, let's take an overall view of how the construction industry is organized. First, construction is a very regional profession, since it has to do with real property. Real property is defined in most legal texts coming from English common law as fixed or immovable property, mainly consisting with land and buildings, with a handful of nuances. Since it is not very common to scale a company consisting of fixed or immovable property as compared to, for example, scaling into millions of users for a social media platform, at the very least, we will try to scale the knowledge behind that real property. Our specialty in the construction industry is a field of knowledge referred to as miscellaneous metals in Division 5. So the first question can be, what is a Division 5 trade? A construction trade organization called Construction Specifications Institute, abbreviated to CSI, created a list many years ago here in the U.S. to help standardize instructions or specifications to the items that will be part of a construction project. This list may not be the same list around the world, but the idea is to standardize construction fields for easier communications. For example, on the list, Division 3 trades deal with concrete, Division 4 with masonry, Division 5, our division, deals with metals, Division 6 with wood, plastics, and composites, Division 15 with plumbing and HVAC, Division 16 with electrical, etc. So in Division 5 metals, CSI broke down the list further with a certain numbering system. We'll just look at a handful of products on that list to go over it. A website that did us the favor of writing down the list in a detail format for all divisions, including this Division 5 list, is called RCAT. I'll paste their website link below. For example, on the list it goes from large items to smaller ones. Here it starts with load-bearing items referred to as structural steel. That's the metal that will hold weight for people, shipments, or things to cross under. Some examples are metal used for bridges, stadiums, industrial warehouses, or buildings. Structural steel is a key material in almost, if not all, these structures. Then the list continues, but it shifts from the large critical structures to a more localized product. We notice that it also starts to lessen the requirements for life safety. Life safety is a component in construction where the design of the project includes components to keep people safe in the normal use of the building, or in case of emergencies like fires, power failures, etc. Instead of tackling hundreds or thousands of cars in a bridge, it will now be a couple of people going up the stairs. These are referred to as metal fabrications. Metal fabrications can be railings on a balcony or a staircase going up a floor. Another general grouping is referred to as decorative metal, not used as a life safety, but used mostly for finish protection or aesthetics, where its use is not critical in life safety. Some examples can be corner guards, bollards, shutters, decorative grills or panels, fencing, gates, trellises, gazebos, etc. There are exceptions to many rules, such as fencing, which is critical around a pool, in order to safeguard minors from accidentally falling in. But if not for the pool, it usually provides an aesthetic boundary, since most people tend to reach for safety inside their home or building as opposed to outside, depending on the fencing. So that's what we'll do. We'll be sharing tips and strategies for mostly non-structural metalworks, such as railings or decorative metals. I'm not aware of formal training or a bachelor's degree in Division 5 trades, so our goal is to provide these tips and hopefully get a chance to earn your business with our help. Thank you for checking us out. You can visit our website at glassblacksmith.com and sign up so we can forward all the tips we'll be sharing, or you can sign up for a free consultation so we can discuss your project. We can assist with construction drawings, projects, or even negotiating related metalwork quotes. Thanks. See you next time.